Start your Montenegro road trip by renting a car in Podgorica, the capital city. If flights to Podgorica are expensive, consider flying to Dubrovnik and taking a bus to Podgorica. From Podgorica, drive to the Komovi Mountains, specifically Štavna, which takes you about 2.5 hours. Štavna offers a remote and authentic experience with limited tourism. Stay at chalets Edno Selo Štavna, a budget-friendly option with 10 chalets and an on-site restaurant. It's conveniently located for hiking in the Komovi mountain range. Another option is Komovi Kobildo Guest House Bungalows, a 15-minute drive from chalets Edno Selo Štavna. Start your second day at chalets Edno Selo Štavna with a traditional Montenegrin breakfast. Then, go for a rewarding half-day hike to Kom Vasojevici summit in the Komovi Mountains. The hike takes about 4 to 4.5 hours round trip with a 710-meter ascent. After the hike, drive to Grebaje Valley, a scenic and narrow valley in Prokletije National Park. Stay at bungalows Katon Maya Karanfil for stunning sunset views and easy access to hiking trails. Alternatively, consider bungalows Prokletije for budget-friendly accommodations and great hospitality. Spend a full day exploring the accursed mountains of Prokletije National Park. Prioritize the hike to Volušnica, which offers breathtaking views of the Karanfili Peaks and Albanian Alps. This easy to moderate hike takes approximately 6 hours. From the valley floor, it takes 2 hours to reach Volušnica, and then you can continue along a ridge trail to the peak Talijanka, which stands on the Montenegrin-Albanian border. For the best experience, hike in the mid to late afternoon to avoid the sun obstructing your mountain views. In Prokletije National Park, hike the loop trail to Krošnja Glacial Cirque and the Kissing Cat's Arch in Grebaje Valley, which takes around 7 hours. Remember to research the trails beforehand as Wi-Fi can be unreliable. Consider staying at Samel's Cottage Proktelije for a rural experience or Triangle Woodhouse for mid-range options. Due to the long and challenging drive, either extend your stay and choose bungalows Katon Maya Karanfil or bungalows Proktelije for budget-friendly accommodation. After breakfast at the farm's gazebo, hike to the nearby Hridsko Jezero Lake, which takes about 1 hour through a dense forest path. Then, drive to Žabljak, the gateway to Durmitor National Park, enjoying the scenic route along the Tara Canyon and beneath rugged mountains. Stay in Žabljak, the best base for exploring Durmitor National Park. Consider apartment Sipčić for budget options, Vuk Popović for clean and spacious mid-range apartments, Casa di Pino Eco Lodge apartments for a top mid-range luxury choice with breakfast buffet and sauna, or Hotel Soa for a luxury experience with modern rooms, excellent breakfast, and spa facilities. Durmitor National Park in Montenegro is a fantastic hiking destination known for its stunning landscapes. Visit Crno Jezero or Black Lake for an easy hike, hike to Planinika for breathtaking views, or challenge yourself with the intermediate hike to Bobotov Kuv, the highest peak in the park. The trails are well maintained and marked with signage. The best time to visit is between late June and late September. On day 8 of your Montenegro road trip will be filled with epic drives, delicious food, and stunning views. Drive the Sedlo route, P14 Žabljak, Cherša, Plujin, which takes you through the heart of Durmitor National Park. Stop for coffee at the cozy cabin Konoba Lomni Do. There are trailheads along the route, including Mount Prutash and Shkirka Lakes Valley, offering scenic hikes. Overnight around Plujin if you want to fit in another hike, saving the drive to Kotor for the next day. Enjoy lunch at Plujin before visiting Njegushi for their famous smoked ham and cheese. Drive the Serpentine Road to Kotor and stay in Kotor Bay. Choose accommodations in the Old Town for a historic atmosphere or outside the city walls for on-site parking. A few options include Old Town Youth Hostel, Palazzo Syndic, Catareo Apartments, Hotel Hippocampus, Boutique Hostel Astoria, or Hotel Vardar. Alternatively, consider staying in Dobrota or Muo for a peaceful seaside experience. Explore the charming old town of Kotor with its fortifications and pedestrian-only streets. If you love hiking, you should check out our hiking trails in our Iceland Secret Gems video. After a week in the mountains, it's time to unwind by the sea in Kotor. Explore the charming old town and stroll along the beautiful Bay of Kotor, surrounded by majestic mountains. Enjoy mouth-watering barbecue at Barbecue Tangia. Savor a rooftop breakfast at Boutique Hotel Hippocampus. Dine on seafood at Restaurant Galleon and try craft beer at Nitrox Pub. Don't miss the ladder to Kotor Hike, a historical trail with 70 switchbacks, or hike the Kotor Fortress with its stunning views. For a memorable experience, watch the sunset from Mount Virmats along the Virmats Ridge Trail. Indulge in the beauty of Kotor and savor the relaxing seaside atmosphere. Bid farewell to the charming Kotor and take a captivating drive around Kotor Bay, admiring beautiful waterfront estates, fishing boats, and flowering trees. The white stone buildings and clear blue waters create a vacation-like atmosphere, evoking the ultimate seaside holiday feeling. Explore the scenic Luștița Peninsula with the lovely town of Rose as a highlight. Enjoy a delicious lunch at Adriatic Rose and take a dip at Plăvi Horizonti Beach or Janice Beach. Consider staying at Apartments Bella Vista for budget accommodations or Apartments Odiva for mid-range options on the peninsula. The Budva Riviera is a coastal strip near Budva known for its pretty coves, iconic architecture, and dreamy islands. While it can be crowded with resorts and beaches, there are still hidden gems to explore. Visit the charming old walled town of Budva and stroll along the scenic Mogren beaches. Enjoy lunch at Pasztrowica w Dwory with a view of Sveti Stefan. Explore more beaches like Prijno Beach, Rijeka Rizevici Beach, Lucica Plaja, and Plaza Buljarica. Stay in Budva or Petrovac with options like Apartments Victoria, Luxury Apartments Stefan, or Hotel Riva. Extend your stay in Budva Riviera for an extra day before heading to Ulsing. Take a detour to the old town of Stari Bar, a partially ruined fortified town with restaurants and shops along the walls. In Ulsing, explore the vibrant seaside town starting with the old town. Don't miss the Sunset Beach Bar for breathtaking views outside the walls. Enjoy delicious freshly caught fish at Fisherman Hari. Ulsing is also known for its beaches, including Ladies Beach for women seeking privacy and comfort, and Velika Plaća for kite surfing. Choose from accommodations like Guest House Maritomo for budget options, Apartment Secret Garden for mid-range comfort with a swimming pool, or Hotel Pirate Old Town for a luxurious stay within the walls with the best views in town. After your morning in Ulsing, drive inland to Lake Skadar for a delightful surprise. Explore the large freshwater lake by joining a boat tour, renting a kayak, or simply enjoying the scenic road. Don't miss the opportunity to taste the region's most famous Vispazar and the surrounding area. Stay near Lake Skadar and Vrjina Farmhouse for a budget option, or at Skadar Lake Apartments Pajovic for a spacious and light-filled mid-range apartment surrounded by pomegranate trees and rolling hills. Indulge in a delicious feast and homemade white wine provided by the hosts, and consider going on a boat ride organized by them. It's a hidden gem worth experiencing near Lake Skadar. To conclude your Montenegro road trip, embark on a final scenic drive and visit the breathtaking Horseshoe Bend, also known as Pavlova Strana Viewpoint. Start by driving back to Vispazar and continue on the P16 road. The most stunning views await you on the winding road that veers off to the left towards M2.3 highway. Follow this road to M2.3 and you'll be on your way to Podgorica. The entire drive takes approximately 2 hours, providing a memorable end to your journey through Montenegro's picturesque landscapes.